Hi team, hope all of you are doing well. Over the last 1 week, we've been getting queries on Salesforce group with respect to sending IQs. I hope now all of us are using Salesforce in 0 to 10 to send out IQ codes. The next step really is to be able to use Salesforce for the entire journey from 0 to 100. So today, both Cam and we are here and we'll be shooting a couple of videos. One with respect to updating payment records on Salesforce, and second to be able to send D1, D2, D3 requests. And the third one, which is even more important, is to show you how to upload some of the documents on Salesforce and move through different phases in 10 to 40 journey. So for that, we have a test lead. I'm sharing my screen with you, and we'll start. So as you can see, I'm going to go to Salesforce. This is an opportunity called test connection. I haven't given this name. So the first thing that we guys have to do is that the next step is we have to follow up with the customer to be able to get an update if he has viewed the code, and if he is actually okay with the code and wants to move it. We're considering the case here where the status currently is initial code sent. That is the current status or the stage of the project. And now customer has approved the code and has also given us the payment. It can be through online or through some other medium. So what needs to be done is this. I go to edit. Okay, as usual, internet connection in office is very slow. So I go to edit. I am here. I basically change the stage to initial code approved since the customer has agreed to make the payment or has already made the payment. I have to do this first, initial code approved. I have to save. So when you do initial code approved and save the lead, then the next step shows collect 10% payment. So what you guys need to do is you now need to go to related. In related tab, you'll be able to see two things. One is these are the codes that you might have sent to the customer. The second is the bill. So what is important for us is the bill. So I click on this particular bill, and I again go to related, and I have to update the payment that the customer has made with respect to this particular bill, which is the quote value. So I'm clicking on new, and I have to create a payment record. So for example, customer made payment of say 4,000, let's consider, because the bill was 47,000 rupees, the way system works is we have to accept 10% payment. So let's say, just for reference, customer made a payment of 5,000 rupees. You have to enter the payment amount. It can be cash, check, it can be wire transfer. Wire transfer is nothing but the online transfer. Both of them are the same for now. So let's assume a case wherein customer has paid us cash. You have to select the installments. In case customer is making payment in multiple installments, then we'll have to select installment 1, installment 2. But in case customer has made the payment only in one installment and it is the final installment to say, you just have to select final installment. You have to select your name. In this case, consider the DP is test DP. This is very important just from the perspective, because based upon this, we want to automate payments that we make to you. So please ensure that you fill in the name of the person who has actually booked the order. And we also have to go ahead and select a payment date. So once we do that, status, you can have payment received, approved, rejected. So basically received is something that you have to worry about. Once you do that, request goes to our finance team and they will basically approve of this payment. You don't have to worry about check DD number in case it's a cash transaction, but if it was a check transaction, you'll have to mention it. So very simple. You basically press save, and the status would change to the right thing. So your payment is created. Now you basically just go on this particular payment, and just submit this particular payment for finance team's approval, and then write this is the 10% payment made by my customer. So just 1 second, 10% payment made, or any other comments that you want to add, you just go and submit it. Now this payment would be submitted for the approval. So you click on bill, and okay, so you have to do this couple of times in the system, uh, and you basically again write 10% payment. So you earlier you had submitted the payment, now you're submitting the bill. So bear with us, we'll improve this particular process, but this is how you guys have to do the payment. So please use this video to understand how to ensure that whatever customers you are meeting, you are basically using the right way to be able to. So after using bills, you again you'll have to test that particular customer, and so you see the current status is initial quote approved. You have already sent the payment for detail. So once finance approves, the status will automatically change to 10% collected, and then you'll be able to move forward and send D1 requests. So in the next video that we're shooting right now, we'll show you how to basically raise a D1 request in the system and then move forward in 10 to 40 flow. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was a little cumbersome process, but in case you have any doubts, please reach out to Cam on the WhatsApp group. He'll be able to help you out with. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.